This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear cookies and site data every time you close the Zen browser. Let me jump over to my browser. I have the Zen Web Browser opened up now. To set up your browser to clear cookies and site data every time you close the browser, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the middle pane here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the right side pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways to where you see the Cookies and Site Data area. And right down here, Delete Cookies and Site Data when Zen is closed. If you wanted to clear cookies and site data every time you close the browser, you would check this box right here. Furthermore, if you scroll down a little bit further to the History area, if you wanted the Zen browser to clear history each time you close it, you would make sure that this box is checked right here, Clear History when Zen closes. Thanks for watching.